Welcome to this tutorial by the Durham Public Library on how to set up Canopy. Open a web browser and enter the web address www.durhampubliclibrary.org. In the top bar, hover over Books and Media. Click Media and Streaming Services. Scroll down the page to Canopy. You may click the link or the icon to connect to Canopy. If this is your first time, click Add Library Card on the left. Enter the required information. Your library card number can be found on the back of your library card, and the library card PIN you created for your account. Here you will fill in the required information, including your email address and a password unique to you. To complete registering, check your email for a verification email. You are now registered for Canopy. Canopy is also available as an app for compatible devices. You can download the app on the App Store, and you will log in with the information you used for registering on the website. For more information, visit our website or call us.